We are at the Goodwill bins today. The sun is shining. It's about 11 o'clock, so it's like perfect timing right before they swap out the books. So we're gonna go in and see if we can get some stuff before the swap.
I'm looking to bundle books. That worked pretty well last week, and most people, I think, are probably not reading these old books. They just want them because they look cool.
Well, and I thrifted some like Christmas picks and stuff, so it'd be cute to bundle them and wrap some like lace ribbon around them. You could do that. You're so cute.
Oh, I could do it, yeah.
Yeah. Let's go inside and see what we can find. They're bringing the carts out, so who knows what was in there, all that could have been. I'll do some shopping over here while we wait. Here we go. I'm gonna take an initial peruse, see if there's any quilts, and then I'll come back and dig. It gets a little crazy, so I'm not really interested in throwing elbows.
All right, books. Let's take a look and see what we can find. They're switching bins out right now. So we're gonna go look at blankets and stuff in a minute, look and see if we can get some linens. The Harvard Classics, 2 years before the Mast, and Dana. We had Dana last week. This is a different cover, but red. They'll probably switch these books out again soon, so I need to go through them pretty quick. Looks like we got tons of old books over here.
Found a cute pair of floral pillowcases. You don't always find a pair, so that's fun. And here's an eyelet pair. I'm gonna grab these two. Found some fabric. That's cute. I'm always looking for floral everything. This is a cool comforter. Oh, I don't like the backside. Let's stay in here. I don't do balled up comforters. I don't know why, but I love this dress. I love the fabric. It says it's a size 8 in UK, made in London. But I'm gonna grab it. I'll look it up in a little bit.
This is a Wonder World Encyclopedia, Agriculture and Industry. I'm gonna grab that one up. It's green and good. So we've got a few books in this pile here. Is that Heidi? Another Tales? What is that? No, not Heidi. And we got this one here, The Growth of the American People and Nation. All right, I had to hurry and grab a few things. Someone handed me this. That was fun, Gone with the Wind. We had a discussion on how it may or may not be controversial, but deckled edge, good blue. And then it got a few more of these red and green, and I found a Reader's Digest in there too. They're switching books out, so I'll get a fresh book bin there. Okay, fresh book bin. I pulled the blanket off of this one.
Cute little vintage nursery quilt, floral on the back. It does have some staining, so I'm gonna leave this here. I've had not the best luck with staining lately. This is a cute Janie and Jack top. It's a size 5. I thought at first it was a dress. That stain I know I can get out, and this would be perfect for spring, so I'm gonna grab it. This is a pretty paisley quilt. It's almost got like a denim look to it. It's kind of faded. I can't see the size, but I'm guessing probably queen, and no major staining or rips, so I'm gonna grab it.
Webster's Collegiate Dictionary, 5th edition. I think it's from the 1940s. Looks like we got a good Reader's Digest peeking out under here. Grab those two up. That one's good. World's Greatest Speeches. All right, I feel like we did pretty good this week. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 books. Most of them are probably going to get bundled. Looks like I got 3 Reader's Digests. These ones are really good. This looks like someone dumped a big pile of clothes in here. They're all kind of stacked up neat like they were in a cart. Gotta get to the bottom, see if we can find any linens, any quilts. There's a couple other people here that I've seen, they got quilts in their carts, so we might not find much today. That's kind of a fun Vans. Oh, I wonder if the stain can come off.
This is so cute. It's a Pampered Chef tart pan, but I think it'd be cute to decorate with for Christmas. And even if I don't, I think people will buy it because people love Pampered Chef. So I'm going to throw that in my bag. Cute little vintage house coats, quilted top. I'm guessing like a size small. I'm going to make sure all the snaps work, and if they do, I'm going to grab it. I haven't found a good leather bag in a while. This one has brass that's actually patinaed on it. So it's brass, it's leather. I'm going to check all the zippers and the brand, but I think with a good cleaning, this will be amazing. And I'll probably leave the patina on the brass. I've never seen this brand, System Action Poblano, but the inside's pretty clean and all the zippers work. I'm excited. I love this bag.
Oh, what do we have way here in the back? Oh, I thought it might have been a pillow sham, but it looks like it's a shirt. So just found this fabric. Looks like it's a couple yards. This we found some aprons that are kind of this style. I think it'd be fun to make like a vintage looking apron. I'm not going to make it, but maybe someone will want it. For the price we're going to get this here, it's probably worth bringing home. All right, we're going through these back bins here, and as you guys have seen, they're kind of just a big mess of random stuff. Jami found some blue enamel.
You're going to have to flatten it.
Where's it? Oh, it's got a, oh, that's fine. It's bulgy on the bottom.
Yeah.
So I found this apron. It's a little different than what we usually go for, but you guys comment. Let me know if you would pick this up or not.
Do I chance it with this vintage strawberry shortcake? Like, it's got a stain. It's not too bad. I think I'm going to get it until I can get it taken out. This is just too cute. Strawberry shortcake sells really well. It probably won't sell for a ton because it's just a baby blanket, but at least $20. So we'll see if we can oxy clean it out. I always like a little bit of a challenge. This is interesting. It's like an enamel tray. I don't know if you use it to cook in or not, but it's at the bin, so it probably won't be more than $1, so I'll grab it. So we're staying for one more change today, so cross our fingers that it's a good one. I do see a sheet that I like, so we'll see if we can get that before somebody else does. But that's all right. There's lots of goodness in here. Let's go. And it got snagged. I knew it would. That's all right. We're going to keep going. Let's see what we got.
I didn't see any quilts just sitting on the top, so I'm going through these back bins with the kind of home decor and random things. Look, there's a whole helmet here. Look at this, it's a Kath Kitson backpack. Gonna snag it. Oh, it's ripped up top, I think. Yeah, it's ripped all along this top. Oh well. Found this in the bottom of the bins on this one here. Now I gotta find its friend. I hope it has a friend. All right, I didn't find any match to that needle, but found some cast iron. Never found that at the bins before.
I normally buy copper. This one's a silver color, but I think this would be so cute as a wreath or on a Christmas tree, so I'm gonna grab it. All right, we are back from the bins, and Zeb is going to be using lace and these thrifted picks to do some book stacks.
Yeah, we'll see how this goes. I have Jami here to help guide me because she's better at the decor than I am. I'm like, look, book stacks, they look awesome.
You buy the books, you gotta do the crafting. So this lace is from Amazon. I bought like a whole thing of it. I will try to have Zeb link that. And then we just thrifted these. I think it was $2 for 3 picks at the thrift store. 4, I think there's another one, but we're just not using it. I think these are really cute. The colors will match these books really well. So you just want to make sure that you have enough to tie a ribbon when you're done. I can help you with my finger if you need me to like hold it.
I just need to kind of figure out how much I need to get a little bow. Or do we want to do a bow, or are we just going to leave the ends?
No, do a bow with ends, and then we'll put in a little pick. See, I'm helping. Do you know how to tie a bow?
I know how to tie my shoes. I can probably get a flat bow if that's what you're asking.
I think you can. Probably better than me. Wait, every time we make a bow, people are like, I wish you'd do it right. I'm like, is there a wrong way?
We're not professional package wrappers over here, I'll tell you that.
Zeb has gotten creative here. We have snipped off a piece. He's got double ribbons. He's like, challenge accepted. Go bigger.
I might even throw some red ribbon in here.
Oh my goodness.
Maybe on the next one. Hold on. Is that too big?
No, that looks great. And then it's good. You want it to be big because you have a big pick.
Well,
Zeb's having to fix it a little bit, but what we did was we tied the bow, then we took out this first book so that way we could put the stick underneath it, and then we put the book back, and now we're fluffing it. I'll give you a pan when we're done. All right, Zeb did a really good job. They're all finished and fluffed. We do have these blue books, and what did you decide on those?
So I thought that these would still be good for Christmas time, but we're gonna do like a gold ribbon, which we don't have, but we'll get one. I don't know that that'll get listed this week. We may just sell the bundle, but that's my thought on it.
Yeah, I'll just order some gold ribbon. If it gets here by Saturday, then those will be in this week's haul. But all 4 of these book bundles will be in Saturday's thrift haul, and I think it's a fun little holiday craft with thrifted books.
Disclaimer, I did all the bows. You can't blame Jami.
He did a great job.
The last couple of weeks, we've got out of the bins at $53 or less. This week, I think was only $48, but we found some good things that weren't necessarily quilts.
And hopefully this inspires you guys on what to do with your thrifted books. I mean, they're beautiful displayed, they're great risers, but here's now a little holiday decor, and when you're done, you can pull it off and use it in another way. If you guys need any of these items, they will be on Saturday's thrift haul. We'll drop the link to our thrifted collection, and if you like this video, be sure to share it out, give us a thumbs up, and subscribe to Jami Vintage for more
DIY
and thrifting. We'll see you on the next episode.